Hi everyone, my name is Om. In my last video, we saw how to connect Cloud A with Salesforce MCP server. In today's videos, we will be exploring how to use Agentforce Vibes with Salesforce Headless MCP server. So let's navigate to my org and see what we have activated. So I am in my org. Here we have activated S-Object All MCP server and its tools. So now let's move to the Agentforce Vibes. So I am in my Agentforce Vibes chat session. And here you can see, if you go to MCP server settings, here you can see I have configured the S object MCP server in my Agentforce Vibes. Here you can see the tools available are getting displayed. Now, what I wanted to achieve here is that I want Agentforce Vibe to fetch the booking details from my org. So booking details is my custom object, which is related to a session, and then the session is related to an experience. So I want to fetch all three custom records information. So what I did for that, I've already tried once. So I will walk you through how it's performing. So here, what I have given as a prompt to fetch the booking record and the record name. And then additionally, I have asked him to fetch the session details. And for each session, what is the experience record details also. I want Agentforce Vibes to fetch from my org. So what it did fetch the booking information and the contact information for that particular booking, and then related session details which fetched, and then the experience name and experience details also it has successfully fetched from my org. So this is what I wanted to achieve here. So I'll tell you what it does basically. If you go a little bit up here, so what it's doing here, it's using the S object MCP server tools, SQL tool, to query the booking records. And then once it queries the booking records, it goes and find these session records, and then it make the query for session, fetching the session record data, and again use the SQL query tool to fetch the session details. And then once it fetches the session details, it use the guest object schema tool to get the experience metadata. And once that information is there, it uses the SQL tool again to query the experience detail. So now once it has all details, it will display you all the information that it has queried from my Salesforce org. So in this video, this is what we wanted to cover. Thank you very much for your time. Have a nice day. Friends, one more thing, I will be making more such videos on this topic in future. So if you are interested, please subscribe to my channel to get notified when a new video is getting released. Thanks. Have a nice day.